Hello, good morning. Now this spreadsheet showing the data for every month is a kind of data that records assets per month. Suppose that we now want to analyze them and split the data into year, month. Okay, then we can do some kinds of analysis. For year, it's simple, just equal year A2 that year, okay, and then we copy down to the end. We have the year and the month. You can just say month A2, and then we slide it down. We got the month. Suppose that we don't want this. We want to have the month in English. How can we do it? That's one way to do it. It equal text A2 and a format. The format, if I want to have the full English, the 4 letters M. Then immediately we got December. And we copy all down. So then we can have a very nice showing of the month in English rather than a number, if you prefer that. Okay. Okay, thank you. Suppose that we want to have only 3 letters. It's also possible. Then we just correct it and change it to 3M. Then we have only 3 letters for each item of the name of the month. Okay, that is one of the tricks. That's very simple, but not that people know it. Okay, thank you for being shared with this trick. Okay, thank you, and see you next time.